Try nuclear thirst. Energy drinks for people who need atomic amounts of energy.
What are you doing? You're never going to get anything done with energy drinks. You need Nature's Moringa, the naturally occurring superfood.
Superfood?
Yeah, it's got over 15 times the vitamins and minerals of everyday fruits. You can climb buildings.
I've always wanted to do that.
Yeah.
Hiya, stupid boy.
Maybe not. But with tons of essential amino acids and antioxidants, Nature's Moringa will give you the power of X-ray vision.
Awesome, I want to do that. Hi, come here.
Okay, no X-ray vision either. But with 9 times the protein of yogurt and 25 times the iron of spinach, Nature's Moringa will give you superhuman strength. Okay, listen. Nature's Moringa isn't going to give you any superpowers, but it's chock full of nutritional value and natural energy, and it won't give you downers. Plus, it's a real plant that grows in the Himalayas, not a synthesized, sugar-filled soft drink. Nature's Moringa, nature's gift to humanity.